As the demand for bite-sized, engaging content rises, YouTube Shorts emerges as a game changer. They are your favorite YouTube videos, but condensed into 60 seconds or less. These micro videos are perfect for quick consumption on the go. In today's fast-paced world, YouTube Shorts appeal to creators and viewers alike. They offer a platform for creators to reach audiences with bite-sized content. They also give the viewers quick, entertaining videos to watch between tasks. With just a smartphone, anyone can become a creator. The short format encourages viewers to watch the entire video, leading to higher engagement rates. Now that you grasp the YouTube Shorts concept, it's time to dive into the art of crafting compelling shorts. Remember, the key to success on YouTube Shorts isn't just about making short videos. It's about making short videos that captivate, engage, and resonate with your audience. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to creating compelling shorts that will keep your viewers coming back for more. Creating captivating shorts takes more than just cutting a video short. It's about storytelling, creativity, and engagement. To craft attention-grabbing shorts, think of it as a micro-narrative. Begin with a hook, pose a problem or query, then supply the resolution. Engagement is paramount. It comes from content that stirs an emotional response in the viewer. Use creative editing techniques to make your content striking. Opt for dynamic cuts, music, and text overlays to enhance your story. Remember, your editing should augment your content, not dominate it. Lastly, a strong call to action is crucial. It not only boosts engagement but also signals the YouTube algorithm that your content is noteworthy. With these tips, you're ready to create shorts that captivate your audience. But how do you get them to watch? But that's a topic for our next section, so stay tuned. Getting your shorts in front of viewers is a task in itself. To optimize, focus on 3 vital areas: the YouTube Shorts algorithm, thumbnails, and keywords. The algorithm favors videos that keep viewers engaged longer. Thumbnails should be clear, relevant, and eye-catching, but simple. They're your video's first impression. Keywords, when used smartly, enhance your short's visibility. Use phrases your target audience might search for in your title, description, and tags. Avoid keyword stuffing to prevent penalties. Remember, it's about attracting the right viewers, not just increasing views. With your shorts optimized views, let's move on to the most exciting part: monetization. Here's where your creativity pays off. Start with the YouTube Partner Program. It allows you to earn from ads on your shorts and more. There's also the YouTube Shorts Fund, unique reward initiative by YouTube for captivating shorts. Furthermore, consider brand collaborations. Brands seek creative influencers to promote their products, offering you exposure and growth opportunities. Your earnings can be maximized by posting consistently and interacting with your audience. Diversify your income streams by exploring merchandise sales, promotions, and crowdfunding. Now you're ready to turn those views into dollars. But remember, success isn't just about making money. It's about creating content you love and building a community around it. Building a community is the key to sustained success. It's about forming connections with your viewers and valuing their input. Foster engagement by responding to comments on your shorts, reply to questions or feedback to show you're listening and encourage more interaction. Also, create content that prompts viewer interaction. End your shorts with questions or calls to action. Host Q&As or polls. Utilize social media to expand your reach and bring in new viewers. Share behind-the-scenes content or hold live sessions to humanize you as a creator and connect with your audience. Remember, building a community takes time, patience, and effort. Now go there and create, engage, and monetize.